A normal day in your life suddenly disrupted, leaving you helpless. All because of the failure of the grout. And the same story repeats itself in industries across the world every day. Cement plants, steel mills, and virtually every other type of heavy industry. The grout is a minuscule proportion of your total project cost. But if it's not chosen wisely, it can doom an entire project to failure. And as we have seen, the result can be catastrophic, with a tremendous cost impact. When you mount heavy machinery on a concrete foundation, the surface of the machine base plate and the foundation do not make perfect contact due to surface imperfections. This can lead to machine vibration, which can lead to several operational problems. To overcome this, the heavy machinery is mounted such that there is a gap between the foundation and the base plate. Shims are added for support. The nuts are tightened and shuttering is placed. The gap is now filled with a flowable grout, which solidifies and makes perfect contact with the machinery and the foundation, and solves the problem. Or does it? Ordinary grouts are prone to voids and cracks, and are not an effective answer to the challenge of getting perfect contact. The result? A turbine's axle can break. A steel plant will produce steel plates with thickness variations. And the ball mill in a cement plant could break down. Pagel, Germany is the world leader in industrial grouts and operates in over 60 countries. Pidilite has been a pioneer and market leader in consumer and specialty chemicals in India since 1959. Pidilite and Pagel, Germany have joined hands to bring you cutting-edge grouting products which are technology leaders. One of the most versatile grouts we bring to you is Pagel V1, which is a universal grout for any type of precision machines. So what makes an excellent grout? Let us see some of the important properties that set Pagel V1 apart by testing it against grouts from two reputed brands, which we will name Brand F and Brand S respectively. One of the most important properties for a grout is its compressive strength, which we will first test on blocks that have been cast only 24 hours ago. As we see, the grout of Brand S cracks at 23.7 Newton per square millimeter. The grout of Brand F has a compressive strength of 30.8 Newton per square millimeter. However, the block of Pagel V1 grout can withstand 38.5 Newton per square millimeter. The same test repeated on these grouts at 3 days, 7 days, and 28 days after casting again shows the vast superiority of Pagel V1 grout. We clearly see that Pagel V1 develops high early strength, allowing you to operationalize your heavy machinery even by day 3. With other grouts, you would have to wait at least till day 7 to apply torque on the foundation bolts. And Pagel V1 also reaches a 23% higher ultimate compressive strength of 18 Newton per square millimeter, allowing higher loads and giving longer life. Pagel V1's high strength allows sufficient margin for execution errors at site. Dynamic load resistance is the ability of the grout to handle loads that are constantly varying, as in the ball mill of a cement plant. It is the function of the evenness and homogeneity of the grain structure of the cured grout. As we see from the cut sections of these blocks, the grout of brand S is inferior with very small grains and formation of many holes and voids. Brand F also has small grain size and several holes. However, the block of Pagel V1 grout has grains of large size which are distributed evenly and homogeneously throughout the cube.
Further, its controlled expansion ensures that there is no entrapment of released gases. This prevents formation of holes or voids and ensures very high contact with the base plate.
The test report from IIT Chennai bears testimony to the superior dynamic load resistance of Pagel V1 grout. The grout was subject to stress fluctuations between 50 to 250 kg per square centimeter at 500 cycles per minute.
Even after 2 million cycles of load variation, the residual strength of Pagel V1 grout does not drop. Therefore, with Pagel V1, your structure will withstand higher dynamic loads, giving longer life of the machine.
Flowability is one of the most important properties for a grout. The space below the machine base plate into which a grout must flow can be as low as 20 mm. Therefore, the grout must flow freely so as to completely fill the void and make perfect contact with all surfaces. We will test the flowability of grouts in a flow channel. While all the three grouts appear to flow well, you can clearly see that the Pagel V1 grout flows most smoothly and cohesively like lava and has a flow of over 83 centimeters compared to 74 centimeters for brand S and only 72 centimeters for brand F. And even though the flow of Pagel V1 is higher, there is no bleeding or segregation in spite of higher grain size. The main thing is that Pagel V1 achieves superior flow with addition of only 13% water. However, brand S and brand F both need addition of 16% water. A lower water to powder ratio also means that the grout does not lose strength, has lesser porosity, and cracks do not develop while curing. Pumpability is a corollary of flowability. Since the grout mix is homogeneous, highly viscous, and flows like lava, it can be easily pumped into voids where pouring is impractical. A higher pot life is important as it allows you to mix, transport, and pour the grout in batches without the previous pour already setting, especially while grouting bigger machine base plates like turbines, windmills, hot strip mill, cold rolling mill, and steel melting shop, etc. This is especially important in higher ambient temperatures. The proper method for pouring the grout is from one end of the machine so that air pockets and voids are avoided. For large foundations, the pour from one end to the other will usually take more than an hour, sometimes as much as 90 to 100 minutes. If the grout has low pot life, the first pour will have started to set well before the final pour is done. This can lead to cold joints, which can lead to grout failure. As you can see in this flow test, after just 40 minutes, the grout of brand F flows very slowly and only reaches 47 centimeters. Brand S flows like heavy sludge and achieves a minuscule 24 centimeters. However, the Pagel V1 grout flows as easily as it did at 0 minutes and reaches a vastly superior 81 centimeters. After 90 minutes, the Pagel V1 grout still flows 74 centimeters. And amazingly, After a full 120 minutes, the Pagel V1 grout is still almost unaffected and flows an unbelievable 70 centimeters. Therefore, against an effective pot life of not even 40 minutes for brand S and brand F, the Pagel V1 grout has a pot life of over 120 minutes with negligible loss of flowability. This allows you to grout large foundations easily without having to worry about loss of flow with time. A good grout must have controlled expansion. During curing of the grout, if it shrinks, voids will form between the grout and the machine base plate. The lack of perfect contact will mean that the effective load-bearing area is less, which leads to higher stresses on the grout area actually in contact with the base plate. This can lead to failure of the grout. To counteract this, an expansion agent is added to the grout, which compensates for the shrinkage. This usually creates a new problem. Excessive expansion gives rise to stresses in the grout, which again results in the cracking of the grout, this time usually during curing itself. The Pagel V1 grout gives controlled expansion, which compensates for the shrinkage and gives high effective bearing area, but does not give the excessive expansion that results in cracks. In the expansion test, we find that on curing, the grout of brand S initially expands by 0.93%, which will fill up the area to be grouted, preventing addition of further grout material. It then contracts to a level of 0.69%, which will lead to voids and cracks. However, Pagel V1 grout has a controlled and continuous expansion. After 28 days, we see that the grout of brand S contracts further to a level of 0.3%, which will lead to further voids and cracks. Brand F expands to 2%, leading to stresses which may result in cracks. However, Pagel V1 grout reaches a controlled and continuous expansion of only 1%. This is sufficient to overcome shrinkage, yet not create unnecessary stresses in the grout during curing, giving perfect contact. To summarize, due to its several unique properties, Pagel V1 is clearly superior to conventional grouts, making it the best solution to ensure perfect contact. Pagel offers a whole range of free-flow grouts, specialty grouts, injection grouts, and repair mortars. Let us take a quick look at some of these. Pagel V12 is a free-flow grout with high early and ultimate strength suitable for all foundations. Pagel V15/50 is a heat-resistant grout. Pagel V1 A15/50 is a steel fiber reinforced grout with basalt that is both heat-resistant and suitable for heavy loads. The range also includes Pagel V14/40 UW underwater grout. Pagel products are tested and certified by accredited laboratories and official testing institutes from various countries. With Pagel operations spread over 60 countries, our greatest certification comes from our customers globally, as well as in India over the past several years. The job of a grout is to make perfect contact and provide strength to the equipment foundation. Not all grouts can rise to this challenge, and every application needs a specific grout, which is why our staff can work closely with you to understand your needs, while our R&D can identify or even create customized solutions to meet them. And if your existing grout has failed, our well-equipped labs can identify the causes and give solutions. The decision to use ordinary grouts can have a very heavy cost if the grouts fail. Therefore, it makes good sense to use high-quality precision grouts from Pagel, ensuring that an ordinary day in your life is never disrupted.